boys and girls, it's time for math, and today what you're going to need is numbers. You're going to need numbers 1 to 10. So what you're going to need to do, if you don't have number cards at home, that's totally okay. What you can do is cut 10 pieces of paper, and you need to write one number on each piece of paper from 1 to 10. So if you need to do that, go do that, put me on pause, and go do that, and then come back. Now, if you have 1 to 10, we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these numbers and put them in order from 1 to 10, just like we do in board math. And I know that when we count, we start with what number? Right, we start with number 1. So I have to look through, is that number 1? No, that's not what I need. Is that 1? Nope. Nope. Is that it? Nope. That one? Nope. Is that one? Nope. I'm close. But what about, let's see. That one? Yep, that's 1. So I'm going to take that number 1 and I'm going to put it on my board. And there we go. There's number 1. Number 1, right there. Now, when I'm counting, the next number is number 2, right? So I'm going to take 2 and put 2. This is just like when we do this in board math and kids come up and help me. I pick my sticks and you put it in order. Tell me what comes next. Yep. Here's number 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Got to check my order. Next one comes, you're right, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next comes 5. Let me find it. Is that number 5? Nope. Okay, here's number 5. There it is. Good thing I know my numbers. 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, I'm going to move them over a little bit so that I don't run out of room. And you can see 5, after 5 comes 6. That's right, you guys will all be 6. On your next birthday, you'll be 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 7. Here we go. Here's number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's next? Good. Let's get 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then next comes number 9. You're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's the last one? 10. You're right. Here we go. Now, today, once you've got these in order, good job. Now what I want you to do is I want you to look at this number 3 and number 6 and number 9. And you are going to work with those 3. And I'm going to take the rest of these guys down because I don't need them right now. And I want you with these numbers to either draw or count out if you have Legos or something small or little or marbles or something. I want you to put 3 things under the 3. I want you to put this many things here. What's this number? That's right, that's number 6. I want you to put 6 things by the 6. And what's this one? Yep, that's number 9. You need to put 9 things by the 9. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to take my pen, and I know that 3 is like this, so I'm going to make 1, 2, 3. I just made 3 tallies, kind of like we did in our math book when we had our thinking maps, and you had the number and you had to draw on that thinking map how many that you did of each thing. Now here with number 6, I'm going to make 6, and I'm going to go circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here's number 9. I need to make 9 things so that I know that's the number 9, and I'm going to make 9 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But there's another way I can do this. I can make something called a 10 frame. We didn't talk about a 10 frame. I'm going to show you. A 10 frame looks like this. I'm going to make this shape. What shape did I make? Yep, I made a rectangle, and I'm going to take my rectangle and I'm going to cut it in half like this. And I'm going to go like this. So that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 spots. That's why it's called a 10 frame. I'm going to put 3 things in my 10 frame. I'm going to fill it from here. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm going to make another 10 frame under the 6. Here's my rectangle, and I'm going to cut it in half again. And I'm going to go like this, so that I have 5 spots. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, what was this number? That's right, it's number 6. So I'm going to put 6 things in my 10 frame. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Now I'm going to make one more 10 frame for this number. Here's my rectangle. And my 10 frame's not perfect, and that's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many things do I need to put in this 10 frame? That's right, I need to put 9. Let's put 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Very good. Now, I want you to tell your family which number has the most. Of these 3 numbers, which one has the most? I want you to tell your family which one has the most, and how do you know that that one has the most? Tell them. Good. And parents, you can snap a picture of their work for me and drop it in the comments below so I know they did the lesson. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.